Hey there, so glad you were able to stop by my channel. Do you love nails or generally enjoy looking at different nail designs? Then you've come to the right place, because my channel consists a lot of nail designs, but a little bit of everything too. Let me show you a taste. Roll the tape. In order for us to get a rainbow effect on the nail, the base must be white because we will use different colors of nail chrome. Start by applying a thin layer of the blue chrome around the entire nail. Do the same with the color purple, pink, and the orange color you apply to the middle of the nail. Now you have a rainbow pattern, but before we get to the fun part, I thought I would apply top coat so I can then apply an Aurora chrome powder. If you want, you can leave the nail design as is. Then apply another top coat to seal the nail chrome powder. Then apply nail glue where you plan to apply the nail decoration. Now that you have applied all the nail decoration, cure the nail for 60 seconds and finish the nail design by applying top coat and curing again. Now we have come to nail number 2. The difference between this nail and the first nail. I have chosen to have a sheer nude pink color as a base, and then I have applied my rainbow pattern. However, I have chosen not to apply rainbow patterns on the entire nail because I want there to be a contrast on the nail by showing part of the nail with the sheer pink nude color. To add a nice touch to the nail, we apply some nail decoration. As usual, we finish with top coat nail design. I thought I would make it easy for me on nail 3 by applying orange glitter. The base I have chosen to have 2 layers of sheer nude pink. Of course, you can choose a different color of glitter, or why not just have only color and then you are done. You choose yourself how you want nail 3 to look, and I chose to have orange glitter on it. Now we have come to the last nail. Here I have chosen to have half the nail with the rainbow pattern and the other half I want to have sheer nude pink color. However, I will apply a nail stripe in the middle of the nail to divide the nail, and I will apply my nail decoration. In the middle of the nail, when I am satisfied with the application of the nail decoration, I cure the nail for 60 seconds and finish the nail design by applying top coat, then cure the nail again for the last time. I hope you enjoyed today's nail design. If there is anything you are wondering about, just leave a comment in the comments section and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.